Let's look at an example of how in the Tatmeen system to form a report on the hierarchy of the package. To do this, we authorize on the portal under the account with POC. Next, go to the menu item report on the hierarchy, in which we enter the code of the package on which we need to form a hierarchy. Click Generate Report. After a while, this report will appear on the portal, which can be viewed by going to the Report menu item, Download Reports. Here, opposite the type of recording of the hierarchy, we will see the requested report. Next, click the Download button. Let's take a closer look at what is contained in the report on the hierarchy. In the first line, we see the code of the package on which we requested to generate a report on the portal. Next, we have the contents of the package in which the products are located. There may also be child packages. There may also be packages in them. Next, we will use this file to pass products from the package.